Is affiliate marketing a scam? Absolutely not. No way. No way possible. Absolutely no way. No. Is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? Absolutely no. No way. No. Okay, of course it's not. Affiliate marketing is a legitimate business transaction. It's just a form of sales. It used to be basically on the fringe. A lot of mainstream big brands now are doing affiliate marketing. All affiliate marketing is basically somebody has something to sell, somebody has something to buy. It's just a salesperson in the middle. It's a third-party salesperson. So the company that has something to sell has an affiliate marketing program. It's legit. They even have tax records and personal details that are registered with them in order to make sure that their affiliate marketers, their partners, are actually legit people. And then they basically, the affiliate marketers, promote to the public or to their audience. Like me, I'm an affiliate marketer. So affiliate marketing is legit. It's not a pyramid scheme in any shape or whatever. You got brands like the New York Times and other big brands that actually have websites, web properties that actually have affiliate links. So big brands like the New York Times have affiliate marketing links. They use affiliate marketing. It's one of their side income streams. So like a lot of big brands now, they're using affiliate marketing. They're partnering with somebody who has a product, who wants to sell it. They have a market. They have an audience, so they sell to that audience through a form of a link. It's a referral, simply, and they collect a commission. And that's it. It's simple. So there is a business transaction in place. Is it legit? Of course, 100%. Is it upfront? Well, in a lot of places like America, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you actually need to make a legal disclaimer saying that this is an affiliate marketing link and that blah, 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 blah. Every country is different. But many affiliate marketers these days just put those notices up straight up front on anything that they do, that some links, basically affiliate links, and that they could create an income. So simple as that. Now, a better question is, do some of the people, some of the companies running affiliate marketing programs, are they scams? Are they scamming the affiliate marketers like myself? Yes, that happens all the time. So if you are an affiliate marketer, you should be going for legit, well and tried and tested sales companies. You shouldn't be trying to sell somebody's product that you don't know 100%, that you haven't checked it out, you haven't checked the validity, because of course, when you get the link going back to their site, they may not say it's a registered viable link, and they might not pay you the commission. But to the public, it's 100% legit. So yes, as an affiliate marketer, I have to be careful. And if you're an affiliate marketer, you should be very careful about who you sign up and who you promote. Only promote legit companies. Ideally, ones that you use and that you trust yourself, because that way you can actually share and spread the trust that you have in a company to the people who will be purchasing those products or services. Now, in many cases, you might see links like this. And if you look at that, it might look spammy. So it might not look legit when you see a link like that, but it's an affiliate marketing link because it's got all the little bits and pieces that will actually be internally redirect a salesperson buying off that site who uses that link to their internal databases and so on and the internal reporting. So they don't look legit. Hence, if you're an affiliate marketer, use a link like this instead. This is, for example, getos.at/, and then you can actually use a legitimate link. So a legitimate link would be getos@/Cloudways. So if I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer Cloudways, then that link looks a lot more better than that link. So as an affiliate marketer, use legitimate links that give you legitimacy. Then people don't think it's spammy or, like a pyramid scheme or anything like that. It's just a legitimate link. And then when they go to the site, they just treat it like a normal customer that has landed on their site. And another example would be getos@/WP Rocket. They're two of my links. So if you use those links, then I will receive a small commission if you buy from them. So there's the disclaimer. Now, that helps pay for this channel. So yay, go click the links. Great services, by the way. Go check them out. So thank you very much for today. Is affiliate marketing legit? Absolutely 100%. 100%. Is it a pyramid scheme? No way, no shape, no form. So thank you very much. I'm going to go back to my day job now, which is scamming other people. I hope that worked. Catch you very soon. Yoo-hoo!